So hello everyone, my name is Tejas and welcome to my channel Self Study with Tejas. And if you are passionate about mathematics and aiming to excel in the IMO exam, then you are in the right place. So today we are going to learn IMO chapter 9, data handling. So let's start. So chapter number 9, data handling, mathematical reasoning. Question number 1. If star represents 5 eraser, then number of symbols to be drawn to represent 65 erasers is. So we have to here divide 65 by 5. So 13 5 is 65, which means 13 star will represent 65 erasers. So correct answer here will be option number B, 13. Direction question number 2 to 3. The sale of number of spoons on different days of a week is shown below. Study the pictograph carefully and answer the following questions. And here each spoon represents 4 spoons. Second question. How many more spoons were sold on Friday than on Wednesday? So on Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 4 ja, which is 28. So and after that on Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4 ja 16. So 28 minus 16 will be 12, which means our correct answer here will be option number B. Now third question. If one spoon was sold for rupees 70, then what was the total earnings on Tuesday? So on Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 and 4 8 is 32. So now we have to multiply 32 by 70. So we will multiply it. So 7 2 is 14, 1 4, 7 3 is 21, plus 1 22, and we will add here the 0, which means 2240. So our correct answer here will be option number D. Now fourth question. The Delhi school's football team wash bikes every Sunday for a month to raise money for the local children's hospital. The students charged rupees 100 for each bike they washed. The pictograph below shows the total number of bike washed by them. So what is the amount of money raised by the football team? So now we have to calculate all of these, and here each bike represents 15 bikes. So now we have to calculate them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are total 12, and now we have to multiply them by 15. So 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, plus 1 3, 30. Now here 0, and then 15 1 ja 15, which means 180 bikes they washed, and they charge 100 rupees for each bike, which means 180 and 2 zeros behind it, which means 18,000. So correct answer here will be option number B. Now fifth question. If this sign represents 2 persons, then 1 2 3 4 and 4.5 represents dash person. So this one represents 2, which means 1 2 3 4 8, and this half, which means 1 9. So the correct answer here will be option number A, 9. Now after that, sixth question. In a tally marks, a group of 8 marks represented as. So in option number A, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. So in option number A only there are in a tally marks a group of 8 marks. So correct answer here will be option number A. Direction question number 7 to 8. The pictograph shows the production of cars by 5 factories in a year. Study the pictograph carefully and answer the following questions. So seventh question. What is the total production of cars by factories P and S? So in P 1 2 3 4 5 6. And in S 1 2 3 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and 150 multiplied by 10 will be 1500. So correct answer here will be option number A. Now eighth question. What is the difference between the production of cars by factories Q and R together and the production of cars by factory T? So in Q there are 1 2 3, and in R 1 2 3 4 5, which means 5 plus 3, which will be 8. And in T 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 7 will be 1, and each represents 150 cars, which means our correct answer here will be option number D. So direction question number 9 to 10. Study the given table carefully and answer the following questions. So question number 9. How many schools have planted more than 7 trees? So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, which means 12. So one school. Now after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no, this has planted 7, not more than 7, so this will not count. Now after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 10. So yes, this will also count. Now here only 5, so this will not count. And now here 8, which means 3 schools have planted more than 7 trees. So our correct answer here will be option number B. Now 10th question, find the total number of trees planted by all the 5 schools. So here 12 plus 7 is 19, and after that here it will be 29. 29 plus 5 will be 34, and 34 plus 8 will be 42. So our correct answer here will be option number D. Now direction question number 11 to 12. Given line graph shows the marks scored by Raghav in each subject in exams. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So 11th question, in which subject he got second highest marks? So in Sanskrit he got highest marks, and second highest marks he got in English, which means our correct answer here will be option number C. Now 12th question, find the difference between the marks scored in maths and Sanskrit. So in Sanskrit he scored 90 marks, and in maths he has scored 40 marks. So 90 minus 40 will be 50. So correct answer here will be option number A. Now direction question number 13 to 14. Table 1 and table 2 shows the number of government employees in some cities. Study the table and answer the following questions. So 13th question, how many employees does each sign represents? So in Delhi 4,200 employees work, and they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 6, 7 is 42, which means one sign represents 600 employees, which means our correct answer here will be option number B. Now 14th question, which of the following is the correct representation of the number of employees in Mumbai? So in Mumbai 3,600 employees work, and one sign stands for 600 employees, and so 6 6 is 36, which means we will need 6 signs to represent Mumbai's employees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means the correct answer here will be option number B. Now 15th question, if a car represents 25 cars, then how many cars does 1, 2, 3, 4 represent? So 25 4 is 100, which means our correct answer here will be option number A. Now direction question number 16 to 17. The pictograph shows different subject books which are kept in a library. Study the pictograph and answer the following questions. And each book represents 100 books. So 16th question, how many English books are there in the library? So English 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 100, which means 800. So the correct answer here will be option number A. Now 17th question, how many more science books than history books are there in the library? So in science book there are 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 400, and history 1, 2, which means 200. So 400 minus 200 will be 200. So correct answer here will be option number B. Now 18th question, the points out of 100 obtained by 28 students in a quiz are listed below. So the number of students who obtain more than or equal to 50 points is dash. So 80, so 1, now after that 62, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after that here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and here 18, which means 18 students scored more than 50 points in the quiz. So correct answer here will be option number B. Now 19th question, a picture representation of data is called option number A pictograph, option number B different graph, C attractive graph or D none of these. So a picture representation of data is called as pictograph. So correct answer here will be option number A. So 20th question, the given table shows the number of pens sold by shopkeeper on 5 days of a week. So the number of pens sold on Monday is dash more than the number of pens sold on Friday. So on Monday it was 5, 10, 15 and 17. And on Friday it is 5 and 2, which means 7. So 17 minus 7 will be 10. So the correct answer here will be option number B 10. So achiever section question number 21. The line graph shows the number of teddy bears Latika sold from January to April. If she earns rupees 484 for every teddy bear sold, then how much more did she earn in April than in March? So in April she sold 40 teddy bears and in March she had sold here 30 teddy bears. So 40 minus 30 will be 10 and 484 into 10 will be 4840. So the correct answer here will be option number C. So 22nd question, the given table shows the number of laddus made by Mrs. Sharma in 6 weeks. First, how many total laddus did she make in this 6 weeks? So for week 1, 5 and then 4, which means 14. Now after that second 5 plus 4, which means 9. Now after that in third 5 plus 2 7. Fourth 5 plus 1 6. And now here 5. Now here 5 plus 3 8. So now we have to add them. So 14 plus 9 23, 23 plus 7 30, 30 plus 6 36, 36 plus 5 41, 41 plus 8 will be 49. And now after that second one, find the fraction of number of laddus made in the week 2 to the number of laddus made in the weeks 4 and 6 together. So in 4 and 6 it will be 6 plus 8, which is 14, and in week 2 it is 9, which means 9 by 14. So correct answer here will be option number B. So question number 23, study the pictograph and find the values of P minus Q plus R divided by 98 into S. So first one, the number of stuffed toys animals Jessie and Joy both have is. So Jessie has 2 and Joy has 2.5. So 4.5 is there on total, and this represents 98. So first we will do 98 into 4. So 4 ja is 6. 4 8 ja is 32. And now after that 4 9 ja is 36. 36 plus 3 will be 39. So this is 392, and we know that 98's half is 49. So we need to add 49 in it. So 9 plus 2 will be 11, 1, 1. Now this 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4, and here 1. So this is now 441, which means the value of P is equal to 441. Now after that, next is Q. For second one, Javed has dash more stuffed toys animals than Jessie. So Javed has 1, 2, 3 and Jessie has 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, which means 98 only. So the value of Q is 98. Now third one, the total number of stuffed toys animals owned by all the students is dash. So we know that, so now we have to calculate it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. So now we will only add this 98, 98 and this 49. So 980 plus here now we have to do 98 and 49. So here now 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 9 will be 25. Now after that is 8 plus 2 will become 10 and this will be 19, and now 19 plus 9 will be 28, and now 28 plus 4 will be 32. Now after that 9 plus 3 will be 12, which means 1225. So the value of R is equal to 1225. And now after that S. So fourth one, the number of stuffed toys animals Joy has less than Javed is. So Joy has 2.5 and Javed has 3. So 3 minus 2.5. So we know that the half value is 49. So which means S is equal to 49. So now we have all the terms here. So we have to just do this calculation. So P minus Q plus R, which means 441 minus 98 plus 1225 divided by 98 into 49. So after that first we will subtract this. So 441 minus 98. So 441 98. So this one will become 11. 11 minus 8 will be 3. And now this 4 will become 3. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9 will be 4. And this 4 will become 3, which means 343. So 343 plus 1225 by 98. And now after that we will into 49. So now we have to add these terms. So this 5 plus 3 will be here 8. Now after that 2 plus 4 will be 6. And now after that 3 plus 2 will be 5. And now here this 1 as it is, which means 1568 by 98 into 49. So we will write this here, it will be better, by 98 into 49. So now we know this. This is 49 1 ja 2 ja, and now we have to just divide it by 2. So now we have to do that. So 1568 and now here 2. So it is not possible by 1. So 7 2 ja 14, 1 and 6. So 2 8 ja 16, 0. And now after that here will come 8. So 2 4 ja is 8, which means 784. So the correct answer here will be option number A. So 24th question, Jenny made the frequency table to show the number of times each vowel was used in the first sentence of several books she had read. Which of the following list shows the vowels in order of the most used to the least used? So it is in tally marks. So A, E, I, O, U. So this is 5 plus 3, 8. And now 5 plus 4, so it will be here 9. Now after that 5 plus 3, here it will be 8. Now this is only 5. This is 5 plus 2, 7. And now this is 2. So the most we have to show it in ascending form. So first A will come, after that E will come, after that O will come, after that I, and after that U. So A, E, O, I, U, which means the correct answer here will be option number C. Now 25th question, the given line graph shows the number of cars and motorcycles sold from September to December. So here, how many more cars than motorcycles did they sell in October? So now we have to take the October one. So here in October there were only 75 motorcycles sold and 150 cars were sold. So 150 minus 75 will be 75 only. So the correct answer here will be option number C. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.